Certico, we're seeing more and more organisations take up the Agile methodology. The objective being for faster business change, and obviously from a testing point of view, organisations need to look at the testing process and see how that can adapt to that Agile methodology. Some of the key things that we're seeing is around the roles and responsibilities and key test practices, which need to support a faster delivery of change for development and testing, or also known as sprints, and also looking at some of the tools that need to be used as well. For example, Selenium, which will help to develop an automation framework, and Jira, which will help with the test management process. Therefore, from an organisation perspective, considering these key areas around testing and how they can support Agile will help to make the Agile transition successful and to deliver faster business benefit. At Certico, there is still very much a need for a test manager in an Agile environment. So although on a day-to-day basis, the Scrum Master would direct and manage the business analysts, the testers, the developers and the business resources in that Agile project, the test manager can still help support the transformation from a waterfall project environment to Agile, could also help to define the automation strategy, and more importantly help to manage the resources within an organisation who are supporting multiple Agile projects. This could include hiring new resources, developing their capabilities, looking at training, etc. So all these aspects still help support the need for a test manager within an organisation. There's more emphasis on collaboratively working with the development, business analyst and business resource teams within an Agile project. There's also more emphasis in decision making as well, which means the Agile tester is more empowered to be involved in that decision making process to help the success of that Agile project within an organisation. We see that there are several key test practices to support an Agile environment. The first one being to engage the testers early, so they can get involved in the definition of requirements to ensure that they're testable. Also automation, when to run regression testing, and finally retrospective reviews. So getting the testers involved into review what's gone well for a sprint, what hasn't gone well, and what lessons can be learnt, which will help to improve future sprints within Agile projects. There is still very much a need for test metrics, specifically looking at the defects from manual testing as well as automation. This is very much a key metric that needs to be reviewed. And more traditional sort of metrics such as the test that's passed, what's failed, what's blocked, etc. can also add a lot of value into the status reporting of an Agile project. In summary, testing is adapting within the Agile environment. It can be a key contributor to the success of Agile projects within an organisation. Roles and responsibilities, test practice and tools are all key contributors to the success of Agile projects. However, there's always room for improvement, and through the retrospective reviews and lessons learned, if organisations embrace testing and look to improve the process, that can deliver early business benefit.